Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. I'm here with my humble co-host, David. Davis, what'd they do to you?
Now on to you, Outdoors.
Yes!
Welcome back to another segment of the Outdoorsman. Ethan will be showing you how to shoot a bow and set up a bow.
I'm shooting my PSC bow with my 2-point sight and Blaze Your Arrows Mossy Edition with a archery practice tip on it and another 2-point archery stabilizer and true fire release. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it. All the stuff I talked about today will give you a really good setup and obviously perform good for you. And if you're trying to get into this and you want to see more videos, you can email us at Norris Middle School. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Hi, welcome back to Titan Head to Head.
I'm Elion.
And I'm Cammy. And today we are here with
Keegan. I'm in 6th grade.
Ryan, I'm in 7th grade.
Dakota, I'm in 6th grade.
Riley, I'm in 7th grade.
If you guys could be any animal, what would you be?
A tiger.
A pig.
A llama.
A dinosaur.
Cool. In this segment, we do physical activity. In this case, a volleyball scrimmage. Let's get to it. Great competition.
So girls, how does it feel to win?
Awesome, I kicked their butts.
Amazing.
So guys, how does it feel to lose?
It's so rough. My life depended on this one game.
Now on to Food Freaks.
Hi, we're here with Jody, who's going to show us how to make the school pizza. So, Jody, how long have you been here?
I'm going on 19 years.
19 years.
Yes.
And so you're kind of the head.
I'm the manager up in this kitchen in the middle school. Yeah.
In the middle school. So you kind of oversee everybody.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have everything planned, and I order the groceries. And
Okay. So how many pizzas do you make?
Usually it's between about 37 to the highest we've gone is like 45 pizzas on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
And each tray, like how many pizzas are in each tray?
We have 2. So like there's probably 16 pieces on a tray of pizza.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So what's your favorite part of working here?
I actually like working with the students and the staff. We get along really well, and I like to cook and boss them around a little.
All right. Well, thank you for being in this interview.
Okay. Do you want to know how we start the pizzas?
So, how do you make these pizzas?
Okay, we take the dough. We get the dough already in a box. We put them on the pans of how many we need. We thaw them overnight, and then what we usually do is the next day we proof them until they're nice and poofy.
Yeah.
And then we take this wonderful little mechanism and we pop them all down. Get all the air out. Put some oil around the edges.
So they don't stay.
And then we put 4 ounces of sauce. I put about 4 cups of the cheese on each pizza. And then we top it with either the pepperoni, sausage, or whatever else we have for toppings.
So what topping are you making today?
Today we're doing pepperoni, cheese, and we'll do sausage.
And sausage. Sausage is my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, good. So you'll have pizza today.
Yep, I will. All right. Well, thank you.
Game time.
Here with
Austin.
What grade are you in?
7th.
Would you rather eat a worm or a snail?
Snail.
Hi, I'm here with
Addison.
And would you rather eat a worm or a snail?
A worm.
Hi, I'm here with Claire.
What grade are you in, Claire?
7th.
Would you rather eat a snail or a worm?
A worm.
Guys, I'm here with
Reed.
Would you rather eat a worm or a snail?
Obviously the snail.
Why?
Because you can cook it.
Hi, I'm here with
Lexi Arm Connect.
What grade are you in?
8th.
Would you rather eat a snail or a worm?
A worm because it would just like slither down your throat.
And now on to Titan Talents.
Hi guys, welcome to Titan Talents.
I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Jordan.
And I'm Corbin Rhodes.
And this week we have some magic tricks for you guys. So what grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
What are you going to be doing for us today?
I'm going to do a magic trick.
Okay, let's see it.
So you see this highlighter. It's real. See? Okay. So you see it, right? Mm-hmm. Now, you don't. You don't.
Hi guys, I'm here with
AJ Combs,
And what grade are you in?
8th.
What magic trick are you going to do?
It's called the Final Three.
Okay.
Okay, so I picked 3 of a random like number, letter, whatever it is.
Alright. So put your first card there.
Okay.
And then Alright, so we got 3 cards remaining, and we'll see if they're yours. Is this one of them?
Yep.
Is that another one?
Yep.
And is that your last card?
Yes.
Wow, those are some great magic tricks. Now on to the play of the week.
Welcome back to PBIS Play of the Week. This week we're focusing on ownership.
On the mysterious class.
Class, time to turn your papers. Why didn't you two turn in your papers?
She did it.
You both get an F if it's not done by tomorrow.
Sorry, I did it.
And that's the play of the week.
Thanks, Play of the Week.
Well, that's a wrap.